Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pinke, and today I'm here at the Bitcoin Conference 2025 in Las Vegas, and this is the second day. And a lot of important things happened here on the stage and actually in this conference hall. We started with Vance, the Vice President of the United States, and he made a very important announcement how the Trump administration is going to support crypto in the future. And it is very, very important that who is leading now this country, the United States. It's really for Bitcoin, for crypto. And this is probably what the other countries going to copy sooner or later. He also mentioned that he believes there are about 50 million people holding Bitcoin in the United States. And to get to the number 100 million people holding it, it won't take too long. And he also said that he already held Bitcoin back in 2020-21 when they did their campaign. And so he was kind of early when you looking at other politicians, but they still, catching up. Then we had actually an announcement from GameStop, and finally they announced that they have bought, Bitcoin, more than 4,700 Bitcoin the GameStop owns. And more and more companies just announcing that they're getting Bitcoin on their balance sheet. Then we had New York's mayor, Eric Adams, announcing that New York going to issue a Bitcoin bond. Then we had Arthur Hayes explaining how Bitcoin can actually get to $1 million US. And Pakistan announced, for example, they're going to build a Bitcoin strategic reserve. Guys, lots of important things. The rest of the world is not getting it. Here today are more than 35,000 people. I remember back in 2022, I was in Miami. That was my first Bitcoin conference here in the US. And there were about 25,000 people. Now 10,000 people more. And we can see the vibe. You can feel here the energy. This is really an environment, an industry which is developing and which is building. And then we have the Trump brothers, Eric Trump and Donald Trump Jr. on stage as well. And they explained how, bad experiences they had with the banks. And this was the situation which led them to, find crypto and actually get into crypto. And the whole Trump family is really actually for crypto, for Bitcoin. And they looking for the people always who can help this industry. And they will fire those who are against it. So probably the next couple of years, this industry going to build very strong and very fast. And they also explained that, in the future, 0.1 Bitcoin, it will mean a lot. I mean, it will have a real value and you're going to be rich if you hold that amount. So they also made their predictions, where Bitcoin price could be by the next time this year in 2026. So they said all between 150,000, some said above 200,000, but definitely they're looking optimistic. So they just said you have to get off from the zero level, just own some satoshis, and then you actually really getting into the game. Then you are an investor, then you will actually pay attention, and this is how you start. So obviously it's not financial advice, but this is something you should really consider, because Bitcoin, it's now, more than 100,000 US, and it wasn't long ago. It was 15 years ago when Laszlo Hanyecz bought 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. Guys, and now Bitcoin price is going higher and higher and higher. So who knows what will be the price by the next year or after next year, but pretty much new highs are keep coming. They also talked about it, that the OTC market is drying out, and they talked to Metaplanet about it, that the problem will be in the future, that there is not enough Bitcoin left. And we do know that the hard cap for Bitcoin is 21 million. And we have, already 19.8 million Bitcoin out a day. Now 450 Bitcoin getting into the system. After the halving in 2028, just half of it. And, if you're looking at this, the demand for Bitcoin, how many people and institutions and so on and so forth would like to buy it now, and how many Bitcoin is left, you just simply do the math. This is what basically Arthur Hayes explained. So the second day was also awesome here at the Bitcoin conference. I'm glad I came here again. Long way, I came from Hungary. But guys, it's very, very important, I believe, to travel the world, go to the right places, talk to the right people. And this is how you get the right information, you get the vibe, and this is what you keep you on track. And I always bringing the essence of the information here on this channel. So if you'd like to keep yourself up to date, simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom. Hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.